The Boardwalk, one of Dahon's best-selling models of all time, has been newly updated with a fresh, vintage look and new performance features. Now, along with a lightweight chromoly frame, it features a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain and Dahon V frame strengthening technology. And this includes a Deltec cable and a super down tube, both of which improve frame rigidity and strength and give riders a noticeable boost in speed, efficiency, and extended frame lifetime.